Hello, my dear friends. This is CA Chinmay Hegde, your learning partner for CA Final for FR and SFM. As you know, we have arranged for a revision for CA Final students, RPL Revision Premier League, Exam Haste Season 1. In that context, I've been getting many questions such as how many days the class is going to be, how many hours it is going to be, what topics are covered, is it old syllabus, new syllabus, will materials be provided, will problems be solved. So this video is to give clarity on those topics. Fine. I will be covering new syllabus all topics, old syllabus only limited extent. Old syllabus what is covered, especially consolidation, financial instrument, share based payments, and accounting standards some, AS 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, AS 10, 11, and the list you can see. But the focus will be on consolidation, financial instruments, share based payments, and in the accounting standards, the focus will be on impairment, employee benefits, and earning per share. I think that is where students find it most difficult, so I would like to focus on that. And small stands also I'll cover. So what is not covered, old syllabus students, be very clear. Valuation, mutual funds, NBFCs, and these accounting standards and guidance notes, I'm not covering it. And also amalgamation under AS 14, I'm not covering. So these are the areas which are covered, not covered. The point regarding materials will be provided. I will share the link now. Okay, so materials will be provided but will contain only questions. To download the materials, please go into this Telegram channel, FRSFM discussion CA Chinmaya, CA Final Revision Premier League. So you can note it down. In these two Telegram channels, the questions will be provided, and questions are predominantly from RTP May 2020, the current attempt, or you can say July or August, and MTP, what is going on now, and also the previous year question papers. So these are the sources from which the questions will be asked. Schedule will look like this. It is going to be a 8-day session starting from 1st of June till 8th of June, 3 hours per day between 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. And day wise topic is there, you can go through it. I will give you a brief idea of what is going to be covered on each and every day. First day, June 1st, our focus will be on exam pattern analysis. We'll look at the question paper and I'll do category ABC, which topics to be concentrated more for this exam. Then consolidation is given the highest priority, and along with related topics such as joint venture and associates. Problems I'll be covering on consolidation. I'll solve one problem, basic problem, and on one problem on chain holding problem. Both are from previous question papers or from MTP. And one beautiful problem is there, Ind AS 28 with Ind AS 103. Even I have not covered in my regular class, that question I'm going to solve it now. Day 2. The coverage will be this. These are the topics, that is Ind AS 103 business combination, merger problem I'll be solving, demerger problems I'll be solving, share based payments I'll be solving. Again, one problem may be on cash, that is SAR, and one problem may be on the cash alternative, so that you will get the variety of it. Day 3, as usual, if any one of the days I'm not able to do, it will get carried over to the next day, but these are the estimated topics. In day 3, financial instrument is given the highest priority. Problem will be on debt equity segregation, derivative problem, and on modification of liability, and on financial asset. That is one problem is there, staff loan. I'm going to focus on that. Coming to day 4, the focus will be on Ind AS 115 and 116, the new standards, and Ind AS 20 also. So problem will be focused on the modification problems of contract in Ind AS 115, and also discount allocation problem. Ind AS 116 also new. I'll try to cover it up at fast. Ind AS 20, I'll do very brief discussion on it, not a great in detail discussion. Day 5, framework and Ind AS 1, the first 2-3 chapters of our institute material. The focus will be on the Ind AS 7 cash flow statement in consolidation. I would like to focus on that because it has come in RTP and MTP. So cash flow statement in consolidation, that will be the focus, and remaining also I'll discuss the problems here and there. Coming to the next day, the assets related standards. The focus will be on impairment of assets and the borrowing cost in foreign currency loan. That will be the focus on day 6. Then day 7, the standards are again the next set of standards on liabilities, and on day 7 the focus will be on employee benefits, that is in Ind AS 19 and AS 15, and also EPS will be given the priority. Then last day we are going to do the remaining topics, but focus will be on 2 standards. One is deferred tax, that is income tax, and the other is on foreign currency, effects of changes in foreign exchange rates. So these are the points which I would like to address. As I told you, notes will be shared in the Telegram channel. Please join FRSFMCH in Maya. You will be able to get it, and also Revision Premier League you will get it. So hopefully you are ready for the examination hist. So let's rock it. All the best. Read well. We'll see you on June 1st, 11 o'clock. Thank you.